name's Steve.
Hi, my name is Hunter.
My name is Declan. For the past couple of weeks, we have been working on a project about the American eel. We draw their name and we got American eel.
We have a driving question. It is, how can I help solve the problem of American eels population decreasing in North Carolina?
We first learned what adaptations and characteristics are. Adaptations are body parts that helps a organism live in the wild. Characteristics are body parts that are different from other animals.
Hi, my name is Steve and I'm going to be telling you the difference between characteristics and adaptation. Adaptations is a behavior or body part that helps an animal survive in the environment, and characteristics is an organism that helps the animal survive in the wild. Now,
Hi, my name is Hunter and I will be talking about life and diet. For life, I will be telling you the life cycle of the American eel. For diet, I will be telling you what they eat for food.
Habitat is where the animal lives, and ecosystem is where other animals can live also. So the difference would be ecosystem is where other animals can live too, and habitat is where the certain animal lives.
We had to learn about all of these things before we got to pick this animal. We really didn't pick it, but we drawed it.
Some of the characteristics and adaptations about the American eel is that they can change light to dark color, they move like other fish, and they can be on land up to 5 or 10 minutes. They migrate and lay the eggs in the Sargasso Sea, and they're long and snake-like, and now I'm bush-eating.
when the American eel is fully grown, it's about 3 years old. It can eat a lot of fish, but not very much food.
Now I'll be talking to you about the life cycle. Number 1 for life cycle, it starts out as an egg, then goes to a larva or larvae, and then to a glass eel, then to an elver, then to a yellow eel, then to a silver eel, then to a full-grown American eel. So in 3 years, it becomes all 7 of those characteristics. Now I will be telling you what they eat. They eat fish, eggs, crabs, worms, clams, and frogs. They do not migrate at night. They mostly migrate at day.
Okay, the American eels live they breathe in fresh brackish water that is salt water and regular water mixed together. And they live in Newfoundland and sea. That's where they're located in the sea. When the fishermen involve their population because they hurt their habitat, and when predators try to destroy their habitat or them, they move to other places to find their habitat, another habitat.
Now we will be telling you our solution to help the American eel. It involves a dam, a turbine, and a mesh net.
And American eel.
They die, bury it, a dam, enough to provide once again, these are the people. Ian, Hunter, Stephen. We are not done yet. By the way, we are also making other videos.
That was a typo.
That was a typo.
Yeah, that's
So thanks for coming to our project about the American eel. Next time we have a project. Well, next time please come again.
the
Thank you.
where you can find them right now. You could find them in Kerr Lake.
Oh, yeah.
Easily.
Questions.
Does anyone have any questions?
Come on, we want some.
I think y'all do pretty good, but were y'all nervous?
Yes.
No.
After Miss Sprouting said we were the first person.
Nah, y'all did good though.
Do you have any questions about their proposal for the turbines?
Anybody? We need some questions.
What's your proposal for the turbines?
Re-explain it, Hunter, because it was hard to hear on the...
Well, we're taking. We have a dam. Under the dam, there's a turbine. The turbine produces electricity, and as soon as the American eel swims through the turbine, it gets chopped up into a million pieces. Not really a million pieces.
About what?
And then, if you go. I'm sorry, we'll have to redo this.
Just explain it. You don't have to show them again.
Then you go. Then the way that most of them, almost 33% of American eels are chopped up and are chopped up by the turbine, and we're trying to save some of them. It isn't really. It's just the number is decreasing, but they haven't put a law on it yet. We're thinking we can put a mesh net around the dam and make
the turbine.
the dam, which is the turbine's in the dam, so we're gonna make a net around the perimeter.
Keep
So
on
they don't go
going.
in the turbine and die.
Ian, explain why you have to flip it.
You gotta flip it so leaves don't get caught, and if leaves get caught, it could mess up the net, and the net could not work anymore. Any more?
Now, if I heard right, you said it took an American eel to reach its adult size in 3 years.
Yes.
How long is that eel at adult size?
About the size of the disc, and sometimes a little bit longer.
How long is that?
Did you find it anywhere in your research how long an adult eel is?
It said it was a little over
Maybe
2 foot.
Maybe it'd
Okay.
be like 12. A foot.
Something said a little over 2 foot. So I didn't understand.
What's the life expectancy?
The life cycle?
The life
How long do they
expectancy, how long
live?
do they generally live if they're not?
33.
30. No, not 30 years. Close to 10 years almost. And if you can see here, this is our life cycle.
Can people eat eel?
American eel.
Yeah, because when we awoke, researching, at least I found a lot of
They make
American
it into a
eel
sushi.
diet. Yeah, there's, I think it's called sushi.
They normally make it into sushi, but they don't. They have to take their lungs produce the electricity in the American eel. They have to cut. There's a line going to their lungs. They have to cut that before they start making the actual sushi. They don't get the top skin. They get the middle layer.
Any more?
Do American eels have any natural predators?
Yes.
Yes, the hammerhead shark is one.
And
The
one of
Larger fish.
we can't pronounce it.
the rusty crayfish. Or that's what.
Yeah,
No, that's what they eat.
No, I forgot what it was. There's something like rock.
Some birds eat them.